Todd and Julie Chrisley new legal team. Next step revealed. As TV shows Ace previously reported, a new legal team entered the game for Todd and Julie Chrisley. It was their children Savannah and Chase Chrisley who first shared this information with fans via Savannah's podcast. Todd and Julie's new lawyer has spoken out on a few different occasions to various media outlets about what's currently going on. The biggest question Chrisley knows best fans have, however, is simple. What is the first/next step this new legal team plans to take to appeal to Chrisley's current situation? Fortunately, Todd and Julie Chrisley's new attorney, Jay Sargent of Wiener Law Group, sat down with ET and publicized the next step the team plans to take. Todd and Julie Chrisley new legal team. Next step revealed. During the interview with ET, Jay Sargent of Wiener Law Group explains the first step is to improve the current living situation for Todd and Julie. As Savannah and Chase previously shared, Todd and Julie are currently living in questionable living conditions. The Chrisley siblings report Julie Chrisley must concern herself with poisonous snakes while she is in her cell. Likewise, Savannah and Chase share that the prison staff utilizes mace to neutralize the snake problem. Moreover, Savannah and Chase Chrisley share neither Todd nor Julie Chrisley's facilities have the AC turned on. Both of their children point out that they are both living in states where temperatures reach the triple digits during the summer months. So their parents live in fear of suffering from heat exhaustion or heat stroke inside the place they currently call home. As TV shows Ace previously reported, Todd Chrisley's lawyer also took to the press. He took to the press to reveal the reality TV star has been violated while he was sleeping behind bars. The lawyer alleges photos are being taken of Todd while he sleeps. Moreover, the lawyer also claims Todd believes some of his mail is being destroyed and withheld from him for no reason. Presently, Todd Chrisley and his lawyer are in the middle of a fight for home confinement, citing that his celebrity status puts him in danger behind bars. While speaking to ET, Todd and Julie Chrisley's lawyer clarifies that they do improve the living conditions for all inmates, not just themselves. Jay Sargent adds there are plenty of prison facilities with surprisingly decent living conditions. So he argues this is a problem that can be fixed. Savannah and Chase address real problem. During her podcast, Savannah and Chase shared the real reason the living condition goes unfixed despite being public knowledge. Per Todd and Julie's children, the facilities receive an alert. An alert when someone plans to come to the facility for an inspection. So the facility has time to hide things and slap temporary fixes on problems to pass the inspection. Savannah and Chase Chrisley point out that unscheduled inspections and surprise inspections need to happen to really fix the problem. The Chrisleys have never been ones to shy away from a challenge, but their current predicament might be the most daunting chapter yet in their tumultuous journey. With prison bars separating them from the lavish lifestyles they once showcased on Chrisley Knows Best, Todd and Julie Chrisley are betting on a fresh start with a new legal team, unveiling a strategy that could alter the course of their future. The Chrisley legal saga, a brief recap. Todd and Julie's legal woes began as whispers of financial misconduct before erupting into a full-blown storm. Convicted on charges of bank fraud and tax evasion, the couple was handed significant prison sentences. Todd is currently serving 12 years, while Julie faces 7 years behind bars. The sentence was a devastating blow not just to the couple, but to their tight-knit family, fans, and their reputation as shrewd, if eccentric, reality TV icons. But the Chrisleys aren't giving up. The hiring of a new legal team marks a turning point, a bold attempt to rewrite their narrative and reclaim their lives. Meet the new power players. Enter Alexandria Graves and Martin DeVries, the legal duo with a reputation for turning near-impossible cases around. Known for their meticulous approach and media-savvy tactics, Graves and DeVries are no strangers to high-profile cases. Their strategy often involves not just addressing the legal aspects of a case, but also reshaping public perception, something that Chrisleys desperately need. Graves, a sharp-tongued attorney with a flair for drama, was instrumental in overturning a major corporate fraud case last year. Meanwhile, DeVries, her understated yet methodical partner, specializes in forensic accounting and has a knack for unraveling financial mysteries. Together, they represent a potent mix of legal expertise and tactical brilliance. A two-pronged strategy. Graves and DeVries' approach to the Chrisley case is a two-pronged one, targeting both the courtroom and the court of public opinion. 1. The appeal. The legal team is preparing a robust appeal, centered around what they claim were procedural missteps and insufficient evidence during the original trial. Their first point of attack is the testimony of a former employee, Mark Braddock, who alleged that Todd Chrisley directed the financial fraud. Graves and DeVries argue that Braddock's testimony lacked corroboration and that his history with the Chrisleys, including personal disputes, rendered him an unreliable witness. DeVries, speaking to reporters recently, hinted at discrepancies in how financial evidence was presented. There are layers to this case that were never fully explored, he stated. We aim to bring clarity where there was once only assumption. 2. Public redemption. While DeVries focuses on the legal nuances, Graves is orchestrating a public redemption campaign. The Chrisleys' reputation has been battered, but Graves believes that by owning up to past mistakes, to a degree, and showcasing their resilience, Todd and Julie can regain public sympathy. The Chrisleys built an empire on relatability, humor, and family values. Graves explained in an interview. This isn't just about winning in court. It's about reminding the world who Todd and Julie really are. Family support. The Chrisley Kids Rally. Behind the scenes, the Chrisley children are stepping up to support their parents. Savannah Chrisley, the most vocal of the siblings, has been instrumental in keeping the family's brand alive. Her podcast, Unlocked with Savannah Chrisley, has become a platform for candid discussions about the case, their personal struggles, and their hopes for the future. It's been the hardest thing we've ever faced, Savannah shared in a recent episode. But we're not giving up on Mom and Dad. They taught us to fight for what we believe in, and that's exactly what we're doing. Chase Chrisley, typically more reserved, has also taken a more prominent role, managing family affairs and maintaining a presence on social media to keep fans engaged. Even Grayson and Chloe, the younger Chrisley children, have become symbols of resilience, reminding the public of the human cost of the legal battle. The media blitz, changing the narrative. Graves' strategy includes a carefully curated media blitz using exclusive interviews, social media campaigns, and strategic leaks to reshape the Chrisley narrative. She aims to shift the focus from their alleged crimes to their humanity, highlighting their charitable endeavors and the impact of their separation on their family. One such campaign involves releasing previously unseen footage from Chrisley Knows Best, showing tender family moments and behind-the-scenes struggles that paint a more nuanced picture of the couple. Another involves an exclusive sit-down interview with Savannah and Chase, offering raw insights into their parents' incarceration and their fight for justice. Challenges ahead. Despite their determination, the road ahead is fraught with challenges. Appeals in federal cases are notoriously difficult to win, requiring compelling evidence of legal errors or new information. Public opinion, too, remains divided, with critics accusing the Chrisleys of attempting to manipulate their way out of accountability. Moreover, the financial strain of their legal battle continues to mount. While their brand retains some loyal followers, the couple's absence has taken a toll on their businesses and endorsements. A glimmer of hope. For Todd and Julie Chrisley, this new chapter is about more than just overturning their convictions. It's about redemption, resilience, and proving that their story isn't over. Their new legal team has infused their camp with renewed energy and optimism, giving fans and skeptics alike a reason to pay attention. As Graves so eloquently put it during a recent press conference, this isn't just a legal fight. It's a fight for the Chrisley legacy, a legacy of family, faith, and perseverance. And we're just getting started. What's next? In the coming months, expect to see the Chrisley case dominate headlines once more. From courtroom battles to heartfelt public appearances, the next steps will be critical in determining whether Todd and Julie can reclaim their freedom and rebuild their lives. One thing is certain, the Chrisleys are not going down without a fight. With their new legal team at the helm, they're embarking on a journey that could redefine not only their future, but also how the world perceives them. And in true Chrisley fashion, they're doing it with all the flair, drama, and determination their fans have come to expect.